We're going to start with the most crude of our glasswares that we use. And that's going to be our flask. So you can see that the flask is rated, at least the one I'm holding, as 125 milliliters. And they very kindly told us what stopper number we can use. That's because usually we use these to store or cook down some sort of a sample. So these are really just kind of the cookware version of glassware. And you'll notice that it's got some markings. This one has a 50, 75, 100, 125. But more importantly, notice what it says right there. Approximate volumes. When even the glass itself is telling you, don't trust the volume I'm telling you as a real volume, that should really emphasize the quality of it. I wouldn't treat this as having any sig figs other than just maybe one place. I would probably believe that this is a 70 milliliter mark. I'd say, yeah, that's probably 70 milliliters, give or take a whole lot. That could be 68, that could be 65, that could even be 75. These markings aren't placed very well. And remember, what we're saying is approximate volumes. In other words, when we manufactured this, we didn't worry about having it designed such that these markings would be placed super accurately. That's not because we're being cheapskates, it's because that's not the purpose of this glassware. So remember, this is pretty much cookware that happens to have a couple of markings to give you a crude idea of where you're at. Think of this as being like a pot that has a 1 cup, 2 cup, and 3 cup very broad line painted on the side of it. That's all that we can say about this particular piece of glassware.